area for our simple program. We would like to request everybody to please gather around. Alright. Okay guys, so we can start the program. I can see handsome men right now in front of me.
Yeah, in a velvet pants.
Oh my God. But before we start the program, partner, please guys, give yourself a big round of applause! Come on! Palakpakan naman dyan! Parang ang hina. Parang hindi kayo kumain.
Yes, for those who are excited for today's activity, can we get your wildest applause and sounds out there?
Come on! Ayan. And of course, we would like to officially welcome you to the Ready, Set and Ride season opener of United Moto Club. Of course, headed by Darwin Villanueva.
Yes, and
Ayan.
also Oliver Cabarrubia.
Cabarrubia, si Berong. Oo.
Yes.
And of course, give a big round of applause for our platinum sponsor. If not because of him, we will not be here. Wala tayong mapapanalo na 2025 Ducati Panigale V2S!
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the Team
Grower!
Yes!
And of course, again, we would like to say and acknowledge the UMC organizers, partner. We would like to acknowledge Darwin Villanueva!
Palakpakan naman dyan! Ayon! And would like to formally introduce you if possible, Bossing Darwin.
Asa ba si
Now,
Darwin?
For those who na hindi na
Kay Darwin,
yes, ladies and gentlemen, isa po ito, one of the recipients of the previous raffle.
nanalo siya last year ba or 2023?
2023.
2023 winner.
2023 and the bag is still looking new. Right? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's Darwin Villanueva.
Palakpakan naman natin yan.
Of course! And also like to acknowledge Parubia is also known as Bossing Berong.
Kabarurot! Tama daw.
Kabarurot, humaharurot.
We also have Eve Cabrera!